Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical for all you Whirlpool washing machine owners out there. If you have the Whirlpool FWDG86148W EU model from 2025, you're in for a treat because we'll be walking you through how to use the dry-only function. This feature is a game changer for drying clothes quickly without a full wash cycle, saving you time and energy. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your washing machine is plugged in and the door is securely closed. Locate the control panel on the front of your Whirlpool FWDG86148W EU. It's usually right above the door. Look for the program selector dial. This is your key to accessing different functions. Turn the dial to the Dry Only option. It's often marked with a symbol like a fan or the word Dry to make it easy to spot. Once you've selected Dry Only, you'll see options for customizing your dry cycle. Use the buttons to set the drying level. Choose from low, medium, or high based on your clothes fabric. For example, use low for delicates like shirts and high for towels or jeans. Next, adjust the drying time if your machine allows it. The 2025 model might have presets like 30, 60, or 90 minutes. Don't forget to check the display for any indicators, like load size or energy settings, to optimize for efficiency. Now, press the Start button. It's usually a big green or play-shaped icon. The machine will begin its drying cycle, and you might hear the drum spinning as it circulates warm air. Keep an eye on the progress through the door window if needed. Once the cycle finishes, the machine will beep or show a completion light. Open the door, remove your clothes, and you're done. A quick tip. Always ensure your clothes aren't overly wet before using dry only to avoid longer cycles. Also, clean the lint filter regularly to keep things running smoothly and prevent any fire hazards. There you have it. Using the dry only function on your Whirlpool FWDG86148W EU is straightforward and efficient. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more appliance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.